What is food safety? Food safety combines a number of practices to reduce health hazards. These include premises hygiene, personal hygiene, risk control, pest control and waste management. Okay, but why does it matter? Well, it matters a great deal because the food we eat has an enormous impact on our well-being. Food safety is about minimising the risk of serious foodborne illnesses, food poisoning and contamination by identifying and reducing the level of potential hazards. If you're in food manufacturing, catering or retail, then you're very likely to come across some of these hazards in your work every day. Knowing what to do to minimise these risks will make the food you handle or prepare safer for those consuming it. Our clear, concise, media-rich interactive online courses provide the essential facts and deliver enough knowledge to do this and keep you on the right side of the food safety legislation. They're industry-specific, so they're designed with you in mind.